Meet our two new golf tools. This is our Fix-All Divot Repair tool with ball marker, and this is our Fairway golf cleaning tool. Let's start with the Fix-All. So this has two features. One, these prongs for fixing indentations on the green, and the second is the ball marker. This is magnetized to the tool and it comes off so you can keep your spot on the green. And these prongs here open out and they also fold in for safe travel. Now let's take a look at our Fairway golf cleaning tool. So this tool is great for removing mud and caked on dirt on golf shoes and on clubs and golf balls. It has two sides to the brush. These are steel bristles and plastic bristles. And it's also attached by an extendable carabiner so you can clip it easily on your golf bag while you're on the course. Both of these tools feature a domed decal on the front, and our Fix-All also includes an option to add a pad print on the back. So keep it clean on the green with our new golf tools.